In this video, I'm going to show you two methods of how you can actually add a video to your Shopify product page. So first, once we have Shopify open, we want to click on products here from the left hand side and simply open up the product for which we want to add a video. I will do this keychain as an example here. And now the next step is going to YouTube or whichever website your video is located on, and then copying this link here from the URL bar. Right click and copy. Now the next step is actually going to this website called embedresponsively.com. Here we just want to paste our YouTube page URL, which will create an embed code. So just delete this, right click, paste, and this is our YouTube URL. So just click on embed here and it's going to look like this. But the thing that we actually need is this embed code here. So just highlight all of this code, copy it, right click, copy. And now we can go back to our product page here, leave some space. I just pressed enter. Then click on the three dots if you don't see it here and just search for this icon that says insert video. So here we can paste the code that we just copied. And if we click on insert video, you will be able to see your YouTube video published right here. I'm just going to refresh this because it's lagging. Okay, as you can see, the video is right here. So that was the first method of how you can actually do this. And the second method for this, we will just click on add here under media. And then we can directly choose the video that we want to add and just click on open. And this will begin opening it up here or uploading it to our media on Shopify. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.